Mm. So we just bought this prosecco. It's for the rest of the season. Yay!
Just 3 kilometers off Care Beach on the Greek island of Zakynthos is the tiny, inhabited, and completely underdeveloped Marathonisi Island, also known as Turtle Island. This seemingly insignificant rock is, however, of high significance, providing one of the last remaining breeding grounds of the endangered loggerhead turtles in Zante, also known as Carreta carreta, and in the entire Mediterranean. Preserving Marathonisi Island has thus become of utmost importance. Apart from being the home of many turtles, Marathonisi Islands is also one of the main tourist attractions in Zakynthos. We have visited it during our boat trip and I was really mesmerized with its natural beauty.
So we're in Turtle Island, guys. So finally. Oh, you can buy something. So we are in Turtle Island, guys. We already went for a swim. So yeah, look at us here. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the Turtle Island. So those are the nests, and you can't go farther than there. So this is the Turtle Island, guys, and the time now, huh? Yeah, maybe we can find turtle here as well. Alright, so it's busy. Yeah, it's quite busy now. Now you can go around there. So we can only walk here at the side and we can't go behind this fence. So there's a fence.
Yeah, but from the other side also.
So what we can do is just go here and there. And then there's a lot of boats. Ooh. Rocky. Oh, okay. Oh, it's more people here. There's a lot of more people here, this area. Are you okay with the rocks? Okay. Must wear the slippers for there you go, guys. It's more crowded here. So our boat is there in that area. Oh, we have to go here again. Oh, they're doing snorkeling. And you can buy drinks here. And snacks. Oh, it's there's the shops here. Oh, 2 shops for drinks and snacks that you can buy. Oh, great. There. And more. So not only 2. This is the first one, second one, and there's another one there on that side. So you can buy hot tub. There you go, hot tub, and then drinks. And drinks. And ice cream. And another boat here. Another cruise boat. Glass bottom boat for turtle spotting. Huh? My necklace is another cocktail and champagne bar. Hello, canteen bar. They have
burger, beer, cocktail, with carbs,
with a koi. Oh, Dimitra, they have wine also. Wine? Oh, yeah, they have wine. You see? And they have coffees.
Buy like a bottle of wine. Sending.
How much is the price? Coffees, how much? Then there's a cocktails, how much? 5, but we didn't bring money in the boat.
I have
You have there with you.
I have my
Yeah.
but they need my passport. Let me, I
Oh,
don't
there's
remember.
no signal. You can pay by your, yeah.
Yeah, but I don't know my passport.
Mr. A cocktail, strawberry lemon is only €5. Mojito is €5. Yeah, frozen drinks, and then fruit salad, baguettes for hot tub juices.
Sharon.
So those are the turtle eggs. There you go.
One of these, one tropical.
Here is Rocky. Oh, okay. There you go. They're having cocktails. So we've been there, guys, at the end, and our boat is actually here. Oh, you have, so you can use the other one. Okay. Ayan. Sorry? And now it's 5:30. 5:30. Or 5:30. So 3 hours. Alright guys, so it's been 3 hours. We started our boat trip at 2:30 at Planasport, and now we're in Turtle Island. We've been to Curry Caves and Citrus, and now we decided to come here in Turtle Island so I can go for swimming because I don't know how to swim. So our boat is on that area. That area, guys. It's nice here. The sun is powdery. It's nice. But we can able to see the turtles. I think the turtles is only coming back here at night. I think at night. We can buy drinks. I have money in my wallet.
How about that? Now how it
You want to try? And I'm gonna pay you
like
cash.
why do you want to drink something? I don't know.
Drink something.
What do you want to drink?
Huh?
What do you want to drink?
You want cocktail or? So, what are you
I
going
want
to
something more
have?
healthy.
Healthy, like what? Smoothies.
But with alcohol we're gonna have more fun.
You're gonna get no. You're not gonna get drunk in one.
Yeah.
No, you're not. But yeah, you can. Let's get one.
parcheggiare. Di là no.
Let's check what they have there. Food. Smoothies, huh?
And this one or the other one?
Smoothies. They have smoothies there. If you want healthy, but oh, there they have a cocktail. Milkshake. Where is that cocktail? I can't see the. So Dimitra is asking for the drinks.
Το προσέχω το μικρό πόσο είναι. 9 ευρώ. Όχι, no, πόσο μικρό είναι. I want to see how much is the bottle, how small.
Ah.
So we can take one drink.
That one, the small one. Champagne big bottle, Prosecco big bottle. How much is that?
9 euros.
Huh? 9 euros, the small one.
Yeah.
The small one. Oh, they're leaving now. They're leaving.
Το πας στο wallet, μόνο το ανεπτόνιο, το αναπτύσσει, τέλος πάντων.
I should wear my sleepers. Careful. We are still guys in Turtle Island.
No, so they told me then I don't remember my password because of all of correct. It's like they don't hold the application anymore.
They have new. Download the new. They
Pay.
Google Pay. Now you have to do Google Pay.